Let's check out some customization options, and we'll look at 3 in the first instance. Firstly, we can change the overall chart style, i.e. the chart's colors and the background for a chart. We'll then look at the quick layout options, i.e. a set of predefined chart elements and their corresponding arrangement on the chart. And then finally, we'll check out how to change individual chart elements. Okay, let's check out how to change the style of the pivot chart look and feel. With the pivot chart selected, I've clicked on the Pivot Chart Design tab, and everything we need is located in this tab. From here, we can change the chart style, colors, choose a different layout, and add or remove different chart elements. These first 3 options apply settings to the whole chart, so let's look at those. Chart styles focus on the visual design and color scheme of the chart. You can see the current style is highlighted, and as I hover over each one, you can see I'm shown a preview of it. I like this one, Style 5, and so I'll select that. I can also change the overall color scheme and move between colorful and monochromatic. Again, I get a preview, and this time I like this one, color palette number 4, so I'll select that. Finally, I can quickly change the layout, which provides a predefined arrangement of chart elements, such as displaying the title, displaying and placement of the legend, showing data labels, and even displaying the data table. I'm going to choose Layout 7. Using chart styles, changing the colors, and using the quick layout allow me to get to, around 90% of my final look and feel. However, there's a few things on this chart I want to change. I'd like to remove the sales value field button, change the y-axis title, remove the x-axis title, add data labels to the large coffee size only, add in an overall chart title, and change the color of the largest data point. Let's start by removing the sales value button. I'll right-click on it and choose this snappy little menu choice, Hide Value Field Buttons on Chart. I'll then select and right-click on the x-axis title. I've got access to several options here, including this format option, which will open up the format pane, but I simply want to choose the delete option. I'll double-click on the y-axis or vertical axis title and type in sales value in dollars. Let's think about the data labels for the large coffee sales. If I click on the data point for large coffees in New York, you can see the series is selected for large coffees. With these selected, I can then right-click to modify the whole of the series, including the ability to add data labels. Now, displaying 2 decimal places doesn't really make sense, so I'll right-click and click Format Data Labels. Now, in the Format Data Labels pane, I can expand on the number option, change the category to number, and change the decimal places to 0. If I was really interested in the numbers behind the chart, then I'd add in a data table. The easiest way to do that is to click on Add Chart Element. You can see I've got a whole list of chart elements I could choose from, and I'm going to choose Data Table with Legend keys. This adds the data table below the chart and ties in the colors on the legend for me. Let's add in a chart title, and this time I'm going to select the little plus button here to add chart elements, select chart title, choose a position, and then type in the title accordingly. Now, maybe I want the largest coffee sales to pop out. If I click twice on the data point, then only that data point remains selected, and I can right-click this time just to format this single data point. From here, I can choose the full color and select no border. Magic! You can now see how using the chart styles, colors, quick layout, and chart elements allows you to easily change the whole look and feel of of your chart.